This presentation explains the assignments that you need to complete for this module. As this is a two-part module, one being theory and the second being practice, you have two assignments, one called Managing People in Theory, which is weighted at 50%, and the second assignment called Managing People in Practice, weighted at 50%. We will now talk through Assignment 1. Assignment 1 consists of 10 mini-assessments, which are due between week 3 and 14. Between week 3 and 13, you are required to submit one PowerPoint slide on various human resource management topics. You must upload each slide to PebblePad. For instructions on how to upload slides to PebblePad, click on the video Instructions on Uploading Slides. For the slides, you must select a company within your industry, and this company must remain the same throughout. For example, if you want a career with Google and you decided to focus your presentations on Google, then you must focus on Google each week. For example, a career path needs to go in Google, contract type needs to go about Google, the best recruitment strategy needs to be about Google. In week 14, you are required to upload a video of you presenting these slides. The slides then also need to include a bibliography. All this needs to be uploaded on PebblePad, and the best way to do this is using YouTube. Click on the instructions to see how to upload your video. In week 14, you're also required to make a reflective statement on what you've learned. This statement can be in any method but must have a minimum of 300 words. We now follow with a summary of what is required for your assignment 1, which consists of 10 mini-assessments. Assessment 1 is about your career path and is due in week 3. Assessment 2 is about your contract type for your chosen organization and is due in week 6. For Assessment 3, you keep the same chosen organization and discuss the best recruitment strategy. This assessment is due in week 7. In week 8, when you have a teaching break, your Assessment 4 is due, and this is about the learning and development strategy for your chosen organization. Assessment 5 is about the perfect performance management strategy for your chosen organization and is due in week 10. Assessment 6 is a change management strategy for your chosen organization and is due in week 11. Assessment 7 is about the best HR policy strategy for your chosen organization and is due in week 12. Assessment 8 is about the best exit strategy for your chosen organization and is week 13. Assessment 9 consists of your final video presentation, your final set of slides and the bibliography, and these are due in week 14. And Assessment 10 is your reflective statement of a minimum of 300 words due in week 14. Assignment 2 is your placement portfolio, which is due at the end of your work experience period and will be explained in your personal tutorials when you get ready for placement. Please watch the instructions videos on how to upload items to PebblePad and watch an example presentation on a career path on PebblePad. If you've got any questions, please ask in seminars or in your personal tutorials.